guys, welcome to Brian's Man Cave. So today we're going to be looking at Sonic the Hedgehog for the Commodore 64. This actually just got released, so kind of like an early Christmas present for everybody, especially in the Commodore Sega world. So not too long ago I played Super Mario Brothers on the Commodore 64. It's really cool to see these versions actually getting onto a system that I probably hoped for or wanted when I was a kid. You know, when these games came out, and I still played on my Commodore 64, and I didn't have a Nintendo or a Sega. You know, oh, actually, I got a Sega around the time where this was really big. But anyways, this is actually a pretty cool conversion. You know, it's available for free online. I'll probably put a link down below so you can grab it. But I just wanted to check it out because, yeah, it just came out, and I thought, let's take a look at it. So I'm just going to unpause this thing here. So press fire to start. Yeah, I think maybe I have to set my joystick settings. Yeah, I think I have to be in port 2. I always wondered about that, why some games require you to be in port 1 and some in port 2. Let's see, did I hit the button there? All right. This is okay, I think we got it now. Yeah, looks like it's working. First there I thought I was just going to be stuck on a blue screen. But yeah, I mean, this looks pretty good. Sonic looks like he should. Jumping is pretty fluid. And the sound effects are almost like the same, I think. I mean, you know, slight difference maybe, but definitely feels like a Sonic game. Now the thing I'm not sure about is the buttons, like for the Genesis had 3 buttons, the Commodore 64 has 1, so I don't know if there was a coding to make a second button work. I'm not sure about that, actually. Jeez, it's been a while since I've actually played Sonic the Hedgehog, so I'm probably really terrible at it right now. Oh, no, I'm gonna die. Oh. Oh, man. Whoops. Oh. Now, the one thing is, that was mentioned is that you have to have the, a memory expansion pack plugged into your Commodore 64 to actually play this. Which gave me a little bit of a trouble with the emulator, because I had to find a patch that I could put in the emulator to make it work, but I got it eventually. Took a little bit of playing around and searching. Oh! Let's go, Sonic! Oh! As far as I'm concerned here, I think this is pretty much the exact game, too. I don't think there's any changes to it. Looks like it's pretty spot on. The music does sound impressive, though. Sonic has passed Act 1. Green Hill. And of course, they've tried to make a port for this for the Atari 2600. But it's not Sonic. It's what is it? It's the Porcupine guy. Got his name. I mean, the Atari 2600 version is pretty good for what it is, but obviously it's not going to look anything like this. Honestly, it's just been a while since I really played Sonic, so you'll probably be like, what are you doing? Again, I don't know if there's like another button I should be pressing. I'm just pressing the fire button, so... Game over. I was robbed. But this is actually pretty good. I mean, this is really decent. Like, I can imagine that this been sold back in the day on the shelves. People would have, like, really gone crazy for it. I mean, the amount of work that would have went into this is just insane. Of course, I'm not doing it any justice by playing this horribly, but I mean, I really just wanted to check it out. See how it played. See how it looked. I mean, I did see screenshots of it, so... But, you know, seeing a screenshot is much different than actually giving the game a go. I keep falling in those pits. Run to the end. Big man. Sonic has passed. Act 1. Yeah, I just really ripping through that level just to see if I can get back through here again. Now, I'm sure you can also play this on your C64 minis, but like I said, there was that expansion memory pack thing you need. So I think there was when I was searching on how to get it to work on my emulator, I think I came across one forum that actually talked about getting it to work on your 64 mini, or Maxi, whatever you have. So there is a possibility of actually playing this game on that. But I'm pretty certain you can't just put the ROM on and expect it to work. It'll tell you that the EMU is required, whatever it's called. I never heard of it before. So it's like it gives you 256K memory instead of 64. Something like that. Allows you to play these much more finer detailed games. Where the heck am I supposed to go? Why am I lost? There's something here. Am I that bad at this game? Is there something in the tree? Oh. My buddy Sonia is watching this. She's probably smacking her head right now. Oh. I don't know where to go. I'm terrible. But yeah, anyways, I just wanted to show it off and play it for the first time, just to see how it looks, and I'm impressed. I'm thoroughly impressed. Oh, even though I don't know what the hell I'm doing, I'm still impressed. This is how bad my Sonic skills are. I really need to revisit Sega. Oh, it's awful. Anyways, yeah! Let me know what you think. Throw some comments down below. I think this is really cool. Obviously, I'm terrible at it, but, whatever I'm gonna do. Keep playing it. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Anyways, yeah, leave some comments. Hope to subscribe. Talk to you later.